Hi! So today I want to show you how to make your folders on your desktop have fun icons instead of just the plain normal folder. So to start, I like to go to Google Images to look for something that will match the folder. When I find something I like, I make sure it has that background, which means that it'll be see-through when I use it, and I'll drag it to the desktop. Once I have that, I'll double click on it and pull it up, and we'll be sure to highlight the whole thing. Then I'll do Command C to copy it, right click on my folder and do Get Info. When that pops up, this one over in the left corner is what I'll select to copy and paste, which is Command V. And there you go. There's your new folder.